Hi, good afternoon. This is Allan Mantaring again. In this video tutorial, I will teach you or I will give you an overview about lead lightning. So just go here in your login area. You will check it here, my company, admin.com, admin. So then write your username. If you are new and you never change your username, it is like this one. It's number, it's number. This one. But me, I already changed this one because I gave this account to my sister. So I put her name as username. I changed already. Then login. So here we go. After you log in, you will see this one. This is an upsell. What it is all about. This is the power lead system, Since you are just using lead lightning, you can get leads for your business. And the good thing, if you upgrade to this one, our lead system, if you're a businessman, online marketer, internet marketer, and you want to get leads from your business, if you're a blogger, something like that, you need leads, right? And the good thing is, this power lead system, the most complete and powerful all-in-one marketing platform. The good thing is you can create unlimited capture page, you can create unlimited sales page, you can create unlimited subdomain, you can create or you can upload your leads, or you can collect leads unlimited, and you can send email broadcast unlimited. You can send autoresponder also, email series to your list. You can do it, it's only $30 per month. So it means today, it doesn't mean it's free, it means today is free because you will start my free trial, but it is $30 per month. When you try or when you compare this one to ClickFunnels, $97 per month, you're just paying for the capture page, something like that, but the autoresponder you will pay separately. But the good thing here in this power lead system, everything is in here, everything. That's why it is complete in more powerful all-in-one marketing platform. So if you don't like to upgrade, because I have already in this I buy this lead lightning just for video purposes only, for video, so I can make a video. So click no thanks if you don't want, or if you are not ready. So here it is, we are here inside, right? As you can see, congratulations Lidlin, and this is my sister. I give this one lead lightning, and you will see your sponsor, his email, his number, and you can check this one, my another income stream, what it is. And yeah, maybe it's good. You can check this one. Yeah, so there it is. And how you can start. As you can see, how to get I started. It's it is here, right? You just click this one and watch this video, right? You need to watch this video. It's 5 minutes. See this one? It's already explaining here what should you do. Join Facebook group, choose links below to advertise. Advertise your link. See, if you have any company, or if you are marketer already, or you are internet marketer, affiliate marketer, any marketer, network marketing, and you have a product to promote, like you are promoting other business, or you are promoting any other affiliate link from ClickBank, from anywhere, Jetsu, you can use it here. You can just put it here, right? Like this one, I'm promoting this high ticket product, and this is my link. I just copy this one, copy, and then promote it here, right? Paste, update, right? So changes save. And the next thing you need to do is lead lightning. You need to make your panel, right? So what does it mean? You need to click this one. So for you to know what link you will choose to promote. Click this one. So here it is. Here is the link you need to promote lead lightning in your primary business. They say you cannot post this link directly on social media. So that is the problem, because too many, actually it's not a problem. Too many people promoting this product. So they don't know how to promote. They just post on Facebook, post Facebook group. So people will report, people something like what they report this one as spam, and that is why there is what we call here another choice. You can get your free blog if you want. Buy a domain, then forward it to your link. So it is better you buy domain, so it's like $12, $7, something like that. So you can do it here, or you can upgrade. So you can buy domain inside. If you want to upgrade, you can buy domain inside. So this is the link you need to promote, right? This is the link you need to promote. So you will get this one, copy. They say it is not available on Facebook, see, or on social media. It will be plugged. So we will check it out, right? So I will write my Facebook here. And we will see if this one is plugged. So this is my Facebook. Just for testing purposes only. Just put it here. Something like that. I think it's working. See, you see it writes another language. Put it here. Post. See, uploading. So it's working. He said it's working. See, you can post it here, right? When you click this one, open your link. When you click, see this one, it's working. You have already your link, and this is your link. This is this one. This is the link you will promote, right? So this one. So post on Facebook. You can set it means it's working on Facebook now. So ready. You have already this one, and we can go back again. So that is your link, right? And this one is pre-lead system. So what is the pre-lead system? Pre-lead system is all about you are giving system same like that, but it's free. It's good also for internet marketer. Most people get this one. If they will get this one, right, they can use to build their list. At the same time, you can use this one to build your list. So this is how it look like. You give to anyone who wants. See, I want you to give you my list building website absolutely free, right? So you are building your list at the same time to the person. If they see this one that it's working for them, there is a chance that they will upgrade also and lead lightning like you, right? So this one. So this is your account. This is your information. You can edit your personal information. Company I promote, the one I write it there. Edit your username, billing, password. How it works. So that's the video. See this one. Check it here. This one. How it works. This one. Promotional, traffic online. So you can click it here. What it's all about. Text link, email swipe, banners, articles. This is the one. How to promote. You can use this one. Offline leads. You will see how many leads you have here. Add contact, tools, recent system emails, remove group contacts, manage, merge, unreachable, find a contact. See, only $7, but you have this one, right? And you have also training area, endless pre-leads, master traffic, power VIP club. You have roadmap to riches, I'm suggest you that this roadmap to riches, this is a very good book, You need to download this one. See? Download this book. This book will help you create your building your wealth, right? Create more success in this business. Read this one, and this book was really amazing and powerful, right? So, training area, go here. So, can you imagine this one? You only pay $7 for this, and you just get more value, more trainings about this, right? For only $7, you get a lot, right? So this, just click this one for your training area. So this is the training area, power lead system training area. You can use it free even you're just pay $7. The other people who gold is they are paying $53 a month. So see, you can check beginner training here. You can check it here. See, adding domain to your system. See, oh sorry, this video section are not applicable to lead lightning. So this daily videos for learning is for only customer and gold member. But you can see this one, replace marketing, case studies, ongoing training. You can check it out by yourself, See, how to borrow and buy traffic, training on making posts, Facebook from Hangout, network events, branding with mindset to success, very important, my struggle, success with Facebook marketing, overcoming objection part 2. So it's a good training, just for $7. It's a good training. And here, training endless leads. So how you get more leads, so how you get more unlimited leads. So sorry, this is for exclusive for silver and gold only. So it's very nice. See, if you want to scale up your business, this is good for you. And if you want help, you just this one, click this help. If you want request support, it is here, request status, right? So this one already more fax question, more power system question, lead lightning, yeah, it is here, So everything almost is here just for $7. If you want to leverage or if you want to have more success in this business, and this is for you. They said supercharge your system by upgrading. Click the button below. See? Supercharge my system. We will see what this is all about, right? If you are serious in this business, I want you to upgrade and make some money in this, because in this $7 you get $6, right? $6 is good. You need 10 customer to get $60, or you need 10 person to get $60, right? But here, when you pay this one, when you upgrade, you just only need every person, you get $20 for every person joining your business. So it's $53 a month, but you need only 3 person, so it's free, right? 3 person. So you can see this one. This is very good, The only problem is my internet was very slow. But as you can see, this is the amazing platform you have. Most complete and powerful all-in-one marketing platform. See? It's already 3 decades. You will see have a lot of capture page. If you're a marketer, online business, it's good for you, right? Create custom page, Google Hangout. See, video library inside. contact management. So meaning you don't need to buy or to use any autoresponder like GetResponse, $25 a month for just autoresponder. This one only $30 a month. You can use free autoresponder, unlimited email list, unlimited messages, unlimited broadcasts. You can use this one, unlimited subdomain. This is good, right? And yeah, capturing. See? However, if you want to integrate, you can integrate also. If you want a Weber or GetResponse, it's up to you. You can add social links, Facebook, and many more. There are also internet marketing training, VIP training area, VIP club, weekly webinars we have. This is the testimonial, the person who used. And this one, if you want to know how to earn, just watch this video. Our compensation plan, alright? So watch this one, and see, this is the illustration. You just refer 3 and your gold membership is free. PLS customer is $30 a month. PLS customer plus affiliate is $53. Meaning, you just pay $53 a month as an affiliate. And the good thing is this one. Everyone under you, if they join, you have $20 from each person. Like, see, if you have 10 person under you, you have already $200 a month. And the good thing is you get 50% in all income of the person under you. For example, Mark, and he has Payline. It's like you, Joe, and Mark. His Payline or his team under him is earn $500, you have $250, meaning you earn until to the second level, right? Mark, Mary, Sue, Ju is your first level. If someone join in their business, they are second level, and you get $10 for every person on the second level. Can you imagine how much money you can earn, right? At the same time, you can use this power lead system for any business you want, right? Like for this one, if they purchase 147, you have $100. If they purchase this one for 97, you have $400. If they purchase this one 14, you have $1,000. Isn't it good, right? And this one, you don't need to sell. You don't need to sell on your downline because it is already inside. The system will do the selling and promotion for you. All you need to do is just get your commission every Wednesday, right? So hopefully you learn from me and you learn everything here. And this is my quick overview about lead lightning. Thank you and bye-bye. See you on my next video.